Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you an amazing new free AI tool that can clone your voice in just 1 minute. This tool is called My Vocal AI. With this AI tool, you can create text-to-speech content and even sing using your AI voice clone. My Vocal AI is currently in beta version and free to use. Even in beta, this tool will blow your mind. All the voices in this video were created using My Vocal AI. The video is divided into 4 parts. Part 1, setting up My Vocal and recording your voice. Part 2, creating text-to-speech content using your cloned voice. Part 3, singing songs using your AI clone voice. And Part 4, tongue twister test. So let's get started. Part 1, setting up. Before starting to use this website, let's explore its documentation to understand more about this tool.
Welcome to My Vocal, the next generation of voice cloning technology. Sign up today to embark on your free voice cloning journey. Our advanced platform allows you to effortlessly create a personalized digital voice that captures your unique tone and cadence. Experience the future of voice technology with My Vocal.
You can find the documentation link in this video description.
Haha, this is so funny. Who made it? Are you? Why me?
This software will have 4 main features in the future, including instant voice clone, cross-language voice cloning, emotion recognition, and AI voice blender. Now, let's register to start using My Vocal AI's free features. Go to myvocal.ai, you can find the link in this video description, and click on the sign-in menu to register using your Gmail, Facebook, or email account. After the registration process is complete, click on the Record Voice menu to start recording your voice to train My Voice AI. You have to record 25 voice samples. To start recording, click on each text and click the Record button. Make sure you give this website access to your microphone. After finishing recording, click the Finish button. You can play to listen to your recorded voice, click Submit to submit your voice, or click Record again if you find the voice not good enough. Make sure you record your best voice without noise for the best result. Continue until all 25 samples requirements are fulfilled. After finishing, you can check your clone progress by clicking the Check My Clone Progress button. In my experience, it will take around 1 hour to finish 170 cues. After the cloning process is finished, you'll get a notification email from My Vocal AI. Part 2, Text-to-Speech. To use our AI voice for text-to-speech, you can go to the text-to-speech page, click the plus button to open the text input window, enter your text, and press the Submit button to create audio from your text. You will get a 2,000 character free credit every day. Here's my AI voice result. Our AI-powered emotion recognition technology can automatically detect the emotional content of your input, accurately identifying emotions such as anger, excitement, and fear. Additionally, our system can replicate non-human sounds in speech, including and wow. Part 3, Let's Sing. To make our AI-cloned voice sing, go to the voice template page, choose your desired song template, click Sync My AI Voice, and you're done. Press the play button to listen to your voice singing this song. I can't show you my sample song because of copyright issues, so you have to try it yourself. After you find a song that matches your AI voice, click the email button so My Vocal AI will send you the download link. On Part 4, Tongue Twister. Go to the voice template page and select the tongue twister to test how good this AI voice is.
How many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies? A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
She sells seashells by the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells, I'm sure. For if she sells seashells by the seashore, then I'm sure she sells seashore shells.
If your voice is not good enough in this test, you can improve your AI voice by uploading a better version of your voice. In conclusion, My Vocal AI is an incredible free AI tool that can clone your voice in just 1 minute. With its easy-to-use interface and powerful features, My Vocal AI allows you to create text-to-speech content and even sing using your AI voice clone. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. Have a nice day, and bye-bye.